Engaged. What else can we expect from Sanya?
Kasi parang kayo yung nag-reunite ng grupo.
Oo, eh.
I think... okay.
You don't have to share kung baka
I guess, yeah, I'm just scared. But,
She's really scared.
because this one's like a lot. All I can say is Sonya's a lot different now because of what has happened to her. And I think na-release naman yun which was released in the webisodes. So, yun nga po, namatayan siya ng parents. She lost everything from the really, really happy girl who just wanted to help everyone. There was Kenji who was willing to help her. So yeah, she is now the girl who needs the help. And yeah, I'll stop there.
Yun muna.
Yeah.
Very exciting pa din. Yes, go ahead.
Kench tuloy. Tommy.
So ayun, napakalaki din nung pagbabago kay Kenji. So, medyo mamimiss ko yung pagka-marites niya. Sana ganun pa rin siya.
Sure ka na.
Pero, ganun din, di rin ako pwede mag-share masyado.
At least, di ba? May pupuntahan pala.
So, yun. Basta nakakaloka lang talaga. Mga pagbabago. Marami din kasing pwedeng magbago sa loob ng isang taon lang sa isang tao. So kung ito, 5 years yung jump, tapos nag-engage siya kay Sanya, parang nung pinitch sa amin to, grabe yung reaction namin. Hindi kami pinag-uusapan namin ni Jella na, nung nalaman namin season 2, oh my gosh, dapat may feeling namin may kasal ko.
Alam mo
Sino
siya.
kaya si Toting Poch or baka mauna si Roxy? Yun pala kami. So parang very surprising for us and yun na lang din maabangan yung maraming surprises na paparating.
And of course, of course, kasama din natin sila. Yes.
During the
Go.
pitching, they couldn't pitch for like a good 3 minutes because the first thing they told us was we were gonna get married and we were just screaming the whole time. Hindi po sila makapitch sa amin kasi nagsisigawan na kami. It was me, Tommy, Cyril, and Miggy in the room. And then they just waited for us to settle down kasi hindi po namin ma-process and hindi rin po kami makapaniwala. But then we're here now. So yeah.
Okay. But
May
we
question
also
ba for the new cast members?
Yes, kasama natin of course. Sila Ralph De Leon, we also have AC Bonifacio and Harvey Bautista.
Ano ba?
Bago talaga sa set, no? So, how was it, like your experience dito sa set ng High Street?
Ralph, first teleserye mo to, right?
Opo, first teleserye
Hindi ka
po.
ba na-intimidate sa mga, di ba? With the Aquinos, the Romanas, and the Abad Santos SSS, di ba?
Opo, siyempre po nakaka-intimidate kasi bilang bagong artista nga po. Going into a season 2, first of all. And second, a show with household names of this industry. Grabe po talaga yung na-feel kong hindi pressure, but at the same time, I was like, marami akong matututunan dito. Kasi lahat ng castmates ko, lahat ng mga director ko, producers, and everyone around me, lahat po experienced, and they've gone through this time and time again. So, sa akin po, it's really gonna be a learning experience, and so far, it's been an absolutely wonderful set. Kasi nung naka-work ko po sila Direk Onat, sila Direk Lino, and yung workshops po with Miss Angeli, I really just do my best to try and absorb everything. And hopefully, mag-translate po sa future episodes po ng High Street.
Sana
Very
maging,
excited.
maging another Tommy or another Miggy ka rin na naging mainstream talagang actors na
Opo,
talaga, di ba?
sana po. Opo.
Oo, kasi ang husay pala, kailangan lang palang matap yung... May naturalesa siya direct si Ralph, na parang na parang Miggy noon, na parang sabi ko direct, ang gwapo-gwapo niya, lumabas yung pagkakuha ng Miggy.
Lalo na pag close up, Tito EJ.
Sino si Ralph?
Dito ka.
Mamaya nalapitan ko siya.
Okay. Of course, we also have AC.
Ay, given na to naman, si AC naman, napakahusay nito. Oo.
Lagi po akong kinakabahan on set or even when they text na may taping po, I'm like, oh no, I'm so scared. Because these are really top-notch actresses and actors and directors din po na pinapanood ko na po, bata pa po ako.
Sinong idol mo dito sa mga...
Si Sai po sa Agua Bendita. Sinabi ko na po to sa kanya. I've watched all of them since I was a kid back in Canada. Kaya it's such an honor really to go on set and work with these actors
Wala
and actresses.
58% yung agua bendito. No?
Because aside from them being such amazing actors and actresses, yun nga po, they're beautiful human beings, beautiful souls, who have really welcomed us onto set with open arms. And it's been such a great experience. Lagi po akong kinakabahan po talaga, but I've learned so much and they've helped me grow and discover more within myself.
Lyric and beat pa lang, mahusay ka na
Ay, thank you po. And working with Blight, of course, again, it's like a small step into being comfortable,
Correct,
into
tama,
being
lyric and
in a new
beat.
show. Opo.
Alright.
Thank you po.
Harvey, may pagka-natural din tong si Harvey pagbibitaw ng salita, ha? Diba? Ayan, even sa trailer.
Thank you po, Direk. Thank you.
Go ahead, Nak.
Ayun, iba kasi yung pressure going into a show na may established cast na yun nga, may season 1 na po sila. There's a bunch of lore na established na from season 1. Tapos jumping into season 2 as new characters, may pressure yun, I guess, for me personally to be able to fit myself in to the cast and syempre kina Direk to be able to get close to the cast and understand the character and communicate with Direk. But it's been amazing. So far, it hasn't been as bad or as nerve-wracking as I thought it would be. It's been amazing. So yun, gusto ko lang pong pasalamat sa inyo guys. Thank you for welcoming us in. It means a lot to us. So yeah, it's been amazing so far.
Okay. Before we give the microphone for the last question, Miss Gainiel, gusto kong tanongin si Sai, nakwento mo ba kung ano yung magiging takbo ng ninyo ni Elijah? O hindi ka pwede mag-share kasi talaga hanggang doon pa lang. Diba hindi mo nga alam na, diba diring-diri ka na sa kanya, halos talaga ayaw mo bakit ang pangalan niya. What can you look forward? Pero grabe kasi na-impact ng love ng screen partnership niyo nung unang show eh. Mukhang
Hindi ko po masabi kung ano yung tatakbuhin kasi kahit kami po walang idea kung paano kami tatakbo. Paano siya tatakbo sa kulungan?
si Direk Onat mag-share mamaya. Hindi
Tinatawanan lang
ako
po
maano
kami ni
eh.
Direk Onat. Pero nung pitching pa lang po, nung nalaman ko na wala talaga kaming scene dapat together. Sabi ko, Direk, kahit isang scene lang, di talaga pwede. Kahit isang scene lang na bati naman sila ng slide. Kasi buong show po sa senior high, never naman sila nagkaroon ng sweet scene. Pero yung pinitch po sa amin is, kung kami yung mag-boyfriend nung una, ganun. So parang sabi ko po, sayang naman yung fans kasi
True.
grabe po yung pagkapit ng fans sa amin. Ultimong lumipat na siya sa Batang Quiapo, akala nila pupunta ako doon. So parang sabi ko, uy, grabe naman, pagbigyan naman na natin sila.
Husay dito sa Batang Quiapo.
Oo.
Ang dala mo.
Kaya sana po, this time around, mapagbigyan po yung Rox G fans. Kahit kami po kasi wala rin kaming ma-share kasi wala pa po talaga kaming nakukuha.
Baka nung wala talagang plano ang show.
Wag. Huwag naman direct.
Ayan na si Easy.
Ay, si Direk po, bumaboses. Meron daw po. So,
Direk Onat, share lang ng ano. Kasi ano ba namang yung kilig. Sige nga, go ahead, Direk Eric.
Hello.
You're on.
Kasi we're sharing kasi our Archie. Elijah with Batang Quiapo.
Oo eh.
So, kaya sabi ko kay Archie talaga sasabi ko, Elijah, pwede ka namin todo sa ano. Sige niya, go. Sabi ko, sige. Sinabi ko sa writer, pwede daw yung todo. Kasi nga, nag-hold back pa kami kung papasok na ba namin full blast si Elijah because of Batang Quiapo nga. Kasi we're taping MWF, same with Batang Quiapo. So, ang hirap, di ba? Although we can make naman changes, like we can take naman Tuesday to Thursday, pero yun lang talaga kailangan swing ng mga schedule ng mga artists. So baka now, kasi naka-week 4 na kami, mga susunod talaga, full blast na si Elijah sa amin.
Pinayagan ni Coco.
At kakausapin na namin si
Hindi mo pala kakausap pero in-announce na dito sa
Madali naman kausap sila ang Batang Quiapo, sila Direk Coco and everybody. Sabi naman nila, share, we can share.
Oo, ano.
Pinayagan nga nila si Elijah to be part of High Street, kaya siya nandito si Elijah sa amin.
yun pala ang story. Direk ako, excited ka rin magiging chant yung yung journey ng character ng dalawa.
Ay, oo.
Kasi bilanggo, tapos isa may anak na pinapangalan.
Actually, yung kwento tungkol dun sa sharing Elijah with Batang Quiapo, even without that, actually, yung kwento ng Archie at saka Roxy, tamang-tama lang sa kung asan sila ngayon. Para ma-build para mas mag-invest ang mga fans Kasi mas masarap nakakasabik, mas kapapanabik, di ba? Yung dalawang magkalayo at gusto mong magkalapit.
I know.
Pero
Paano kaya yung gagawin?
inaadlangan ng maraming bagay. So it's really designed that way. So actually yung minor inconvenience ngayon ng schedule and all that, actually works to the benefit. Kasi feeling ko, pag sumabog yung kwento ng Archie Roxy, which I promise everyone,
Oh.
sasabog yun. Kasi gusto ko naman, yun ang...
True.
Sila yung one of the more incomplete stories dun sa mga lahat ng actors natin. Diba? So we're definitely giving into that, ibigay natin yan.
So ano ang trabaho ni Poch? Charot na lagi bukod sa lagi nakasando.
Sino yung mga trabaho lagi nakasando?
Abangan nyo kung lagi nakasando. Sino yung mga nakasando talaga?
Tito EJ, actually may question sa Team Poch.
Sige nga.
Nag-mature na rin yung mga roles nyo dito. Gaano ka daw ba ay level up pa yung mga kilig scenes dito?
Nino.
Ilang
Iba na yung kapit sa akin ng unang show. Paano pa ngayon?
Nako,
Correct.
kulay pa yung buhok.
Sige. Rest din po.
Kasi it's also a promise din sa movie na
Tignan mo, lagi nila oh. Ako naman, kinikilig ako.
Ayan na.
Siguro po mas close tapos
Wow,
mas,
gano'n ka close?
mas hindi ko alam kung intimate, tama ba yung word na intimate eh, pero tama, yun, mas intimate gano'n. Huh? Tingin sa mata. Tsaka, yung parang sabi ko nga po, hindi natakot si Tim na i-express yung love niya para kay Poch. Ganun.
Oh, actually.
Wala nang hindi na siya nag-hold.
Malinaw na eh.
Kay Miggy, mas comfortable na ba kayo working together now?
Sobra. Hindi, wala na. I mean, parang siguro like as much as possible kung hindi rin, kasi from the get-go pa lang naman nung senior high, hindi naman na kami nahirapan ni Sijan na like to talk about the scene, the objective. Kasi nga, ang dali nung chemistry kagad namin nag-click without even trying. Kaya sobrang iningatan din namin ni Sijan as much as possible and not to overdo it also.
Actually, never niyong ginawa. Hindi niyo ino-over yung... I'm here!
Sorry.
Charot. Galing. Sobrang galing.
Yun nga, salamat sa EJ. Pero yun, sana, kasi yung love story, hindi naman kami nag-break, which is nakita niya naman. So, syempre mas marami pang mas detailed na kwento about sa Tim Poch in the long run, which is mapapanood niyo naman. So, antayin na lang, enjoy na lang natin yung proseso.
Yes. Thank you, Mix, for sharing. Go ahead, Miss Genia.
Alright, well that concludes our
Si Alex Brosas
Okay.
may tanong, our colleague, dear friend
Yes
Alex.
po.
Mars, gusto magtanong, isang mabilisang tanong lang para kanino? Hindi kompleto ang media can without a question from Alex.
Grabe ka naman. To Mon Confiado, to J.K. Labajo, and to Andrea.
Juan Carlos, Blythe, and Mon.
And Mon. Obviously, your characters are the biggest in the series. It's all form and all substance. Do you think, how well will you describe your characters? Is it more meat than bone? All bone and all meat? Or more less bone or more meat?
Beef broth yata.
Sorry, Sorry.
It's okay, we understand ano ka ba, Lex? More or less, alam niyo naman how to answer, di ba? Parang,
Yes.
Substance nga eh.
Bones and meats.
Go ahead. Beef broth or pork broth?
Just beef.
Oo, siyempre.
Ribeye.
Oo, why not?
No, but I get the question. I
Correct.
feel like Gino is more of both. Broth?
Broth and...
Both. Sorry.
Kala ko ba gets mo? Sinungaling.
Hindi, gets ko nga. Hindi, pero like, kasi especially how Gino is standing up. As compared to senior high when Gino was just quiet.
Oo, eh.
Right? Seeing his friends and even Luna back in senior high na kahit binubuli na si Gino, nakatunga nga lang. Na parang, ano ba yun? And
the Gino that we see now in High Street is really, really someone who feels responsible for all of the actions that I suppose he did not take. And he's one who really stands up for something now. And that's one thing that I really admire about Gino now that I'm portraying for High Street.
Ganda.
Kasi he's
Ganda.
both, meat and bones.
Yeah. Tigilan mo ako sa kakagamit kasi hindi mo na paninindigan yung meet and draw.
Di ba, yun ang, yeah, exactly.
Totoo naman.
Yeah, exactly. So yun.
Thank you, Juan Carlos. Mon, Diyos ko.
Oo, kasi
Nakahiga ka lang, ikaw pa ang pinag-uusapan.
hindi, napakaganda kasi ng pagkakasulat talaga ng character
Actually,
ni
sequence
Governor
1 pa lang
Acosta.
eh.
In fact, nagulat nga ako nasa wiki fandom nga si Governor Acosta na kumbaga yung mga best contrabidas in the world.
Correct,
Na
totoo.
actors nandun.
Yes naman.
Di ba?
Of course.
Tapos ang laki kasi nung pinanggalingan ng character ni Gov Acosta from the season 1 sa senior high, di ba? Imagine, pagkahulog niya at nabuhay, dun pa lang nung nakita ko nung nabasa ko yung script, sabi ko malaki ang ibibigay pa rin ni Gov dito dahil syempre imposibleng hindi yan magkasik ng lagim o gumante. Ang problema, paano? Kasi baldado siya.
Tapos
As of
naisip ng creative yun.
Diba? So parang ang hirap eh. So napakaganda nung hindi lang talaga namin pwedeng ibato o i-reveal. Pero imagine paano gaganti si Gov sa kalagayan niya ngayon. Pero definitely gaganti yan.
Correct. Oh. Ay, Diyos kami nananahimik na isang nakaganyan lang dyan. Sino ba yung kumakante?
Yun ang nakakaalam eh.
Nako, marami pang revelation, mga Ray Alex. Ang dami magaganap. At no more, si Blight, are we ready for Blight? Okay.
I think Sky is more bone, less meat. Kasi, compared sa mga kalaban niya, hindi pa po siya talaga buo. Mas bata pa po, less equipped. Si Sky, mas wala siyang pera. So I think she's more bone kasi I think kahit puro ka meat, you can't stand if wala kang structure, if wala kang bone. At least si Sky, kahit ano ibigay sa kanya, she is able to withstand kahit anong ibato sa kanya ng mundo, kahit bagets pa siya, kahit mas lamang yung mga kalaban niya. So, kahit anong ibato sa kanya ng buhay, parang yung bones niya nagre-remain pa rin na nakatayo. And ano pa rin siya, lagi niya pa rin pinaglalaban kung anong sa tingin niya yung tama. And siguro more bone, less meat kasi hindi pa po siya perfect. Marami pa po siyang kailangan pang pagdaanan para maging buo siya.
Okay.
Thank you.
Nasagot ko po ba yun?
Oo. Miss Linya, at this point, gusto mo na i-close.